Do you struggle with impulse buying? Well, here are 2 steps that will help you avoid impulse buying. Number 1, start saving money from every paycheck. Ask your employer to transfer a certain percentage of your pay into a bank account that you can't easily access. This will force you to save, and more importantly, prevent you from spending all your money. Step number 2, follow the 48-hour rule. Whenever you get an urge to impulse buy, wait for 48 hours and then decide whether you want to buy that product or not. Waiting for 48 hours will allow you to sleep on it, to really think about whether you actually need that product. And then if the answer is yes after 48 hours, then go and buy it. A lot of the times, you'll come to realize that you don't really need it. And the money that you save when you avoid impulse buying, put it towards a wealth creation strategy. Clyde Gonzalez, thanks for watching.